Mcdreamy's box came, and he doesn't know what's in there. Mcdreamy, better come down and see. Come on. Better come down and see what's in there. What's in there? What's in there? Look. Look. Oh, what's in there, kitty? Kitty. Dreamy. Dreamy. Psst. Psst. Look. What's that? Is that for kitties? I come down and see it. What's that? What's that? Says, I think I'm interested now. What is that? Is that for you? A toy? Ah. Is that fun? What's this? What's that? Ooh. What's that? Some food? What do you think? What do you think? Is that good stuff? Ooh-wee. Looks like he got Tiki Cat Hawaiian Grill, Tiki Cat Lani Luau, Tiki Cat Napoli Luau, I'm not saying that right, and Puka Puka Luau. And he got Zuko's Natural Purrs Perfectly Sublime Soft Treats for Cats, Tender Chicken, and Soft Chews Nature Vet Naturals Hairball plus Catnip, Feline Greenies Oven Baked Roast Chicken. He got some Frisky Paws Orange and Calendula. I'm not sure exactly what this is. Have to check that out. He got a toy Patchwork Pet Elite Cat Toys kitty toy that has dangly things to play with. Looks like you can hang this on a doorknob. There it goes. Gonna play with that? Gonna sniff it? What do you think? Oh boy. Good boy, Mcdreamy. Should we hang that up for you? What do you think? What do you think, little guy? Ooh-wee. Dreamy. There. Oh, big yawn. Say bye-bye. You can't say bye-bye. I'll say bye-bye. See you later.